Harper College invites you to sign up for the college's new emergency alert system. Harper's new system informs you when a campus emergency has occurred. The system includes many enhancements with options for you to receive text, email, and phone alerts. To receive alerts, you must sign up for the new system. The current system will expire on May 1st, 2010. To activate your account, visit harpercollege.edu and click on this icon. Then click on the link below the heading that reads to activate your account and follow the on-screen instructions. To create your account, enter your first and last name, the email you want associated with your account, and choose a password. Once you create your account, you will receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email and enter your confirmation code to activate your account. Once your account is active, you may add your contact information, including phone and/or text information. You may add more than one phone number to the alert system, but you must call 877-614-4257 within 24 hours from each phone you add to confirm that you want to add this number to the system. You may also choose to receive notifications about weather-related closings as well as emergency alerts, notifications in Spanish, and notifications about Harper's main campus as well as the Northeast Center and Harper Professional Center. Remember, your name and phone number will not be shared outside the system. Participation is voluntary. You may cancel any time. The service is free from Harper College. Only your cell phone carrier's normal charges apply. Contact the Student Service Desk with questions about signing up for this service.